This is the Homedics Sound Spa Rejuvenate portable sound machine, basically a white noise generator. This is the machine itself. It's small, it's neat, it's compact. It can be either operated via the mains and the adapter is provided, or it can be battery operated via 4 AA batteries inserted here, and you can use rechargeables and get good performance with those. It's extremely easy to use, one of the simplest I've seen. To switch it on, simply press the on-off button, and from here you can switch it to either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or no timer at all. Across the bottom here there are the various sounds that it produces, i.e. thunder, summer night, ocean, brook, white noise, rain, and here are the volume controls, plus and minus. So let's have a listen now to the sounds that it produces. This is its lowest level, very quiet, but it's infinitely adjustable up to about 76 decibels. That's the thunder, summer night, this sounds to me like cicadas, but it's also got this sort of background hum as well, which made me think originally that I'd still got the thunder pressed. So it's not quite as clear as I was hoping for that one. Here, have another listen. It's got that strange background noise. Now the ocean. This is the brook, which I quite like. Nice trickling stream. Now the white noise. A bit like interference on an untuned television set. And the rain. Quite a nice one, this one. A very low pitter-patter there. And now just to quickly run through all the sounds again. Thunder, summer night, ocean, brook, white noise, and rain. So quite a good range of sounds there in an extremely easy to use unit. Another feature I like about this is the design of it. Some of these units balance on quite a small base, so if you can imagine using it at night and you've got a unit sort of shaped like that, as you try and operate it and press the various buttons, you're in danger of knocking it over. Here, you can just reach your hand out and make the adjustments that you want. Also, you can see from the buttons here exactly which sound you currently use in summer night, ocean, brook, etc. In some of these machines, you have an arrow button where you scroll backwards and forwards, and really it's anyone's guess. I'm used to using these machines and this is quite a good one. The range of sounds isn't quite as wide as on some machines, and a couple of them are perhaps not quite so good, such as the summer night with the background noise and the white noise, but some people like that. But I do like the design of it, the fact it's so easy to use, it's so stable on a desk, and it is also very good for blocking out and masking quite a range of sounds, including neighbour noise, conversations, revving engines, general street noise, and just general noise really. But what it won't block out is a thump 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 of a music bass or a chainsaw. Pity, but you can't have everything. But those are also the sounds that no machine would block. But if you're looking for a good, reliable, very simple and easy to use white noise machine with nature sounds, then this could be a good one to choose.